Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to archive cards from your boards in Trello web application. So the first thing that we need you to do now is to open your Trello website and connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have an existent account, all you need to do is to connect with either your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Otherwise, you can just sign up with your email and connect to your workspace. So basically, after you successfully open your Trello account or Trello web application workspace, all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So here, this is my workspace view, and here you can see my boards. So we need to reach or to open a board. Either you can do it from the board section and we click on a board, or you can click on your boards here. So basically, after you click on it, we will need to go to the card that we want to archive. So either you are going to click on this customize icon. If we click on it, we will find in this menu at the end, we will find the archive option. If you click on it, it will be archived and it will be sent to the archive list or the archived items. Otherwise, you can have like the extended view of your card, and you will go to archive and click on it. And basically, or you can just right click on the card and it will give you this menu automatically, and then you will need to click on archive, and now our board or our card has been archived successfully. So basically, this is how you can archive your cards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.